This is a quick recording to get you started with adding images to your blog. A lot of people just choose any image from Google, but technically that's not actually legal because it breaks copyright. So I'm going to teach you how to add images from copyleft sources that will actually allow you to do so without breaking any laws, and also I'll teach you how to add attribution to your photos really easily. So I'm just going to add a new post here. And I'm going to write a post about cats because that seems like a fun thing to write about. So here is my post about cats. Now, seems pretty logical that if I'm writing a post about cats, I might want a picture of a cat. So I'm going to head over to Compfight. That's compfight.com. And this is a really, really easy way to add images. So I'm going to search for photos about cats. And I've got a whole lot of things that come up here. Now, I want things that are licensed under Creative Commons because that means that they're going to be available for me to use. I don't want to look at these stock photos. They actually cost money, so I'm going to take a look at the ones down here, which are Creative Commons licensing. So we'll take this kind of weird looking cat here. I'm going to click on it. Now, you can see that there's a licensing agreement on it. It says some rights reserved, so I want to see what it actually says. So this one says that I can share, but I need to give attribution. So this seems like a good one to use. So here we go. I want to put that particular image into my blog. So I'm going to do the following. I want to put it in medium size. So I could download the image and actually upload it onto my blog from there. But instead, I could just right-click on the word download and then ask it to copy the link address. Now I'm going to head back to my post, and what I want to do is I'm going to say add media, and I'm going to do it from a URL. And this saves me from having a bunch of weird files on my computer. So now I've got this picture, it's showing up, a weird cat, I'm going to call it that, and I'm going to tell it to insert into post. So you can see in my preview, I've got my picture of the cat, I've got my caption here, but I'm not quite done yet because I haven't yet added the attribution because the licensing on that said that I needed to give credit to where it actually comes from. So at this point, I need to go back to my images, and you'll see that I actually have this HTML that will easily allow me to give attribution. So I'm going to copy that, I'm going to go back to my post, and this is the important step. I need to actually switch over to text editing because that will allow me to paste HTML in. So I'm going to paste that in, and now I'm going to preview what it looks like. And you'll see I've got the image in here, and I also have a photo credit that was just created by me pasting that HTML. And that is how you can easily add images to your blog.